It was Christmas Eve, and the poor people of Shanksville were caved in for the holidays due to a great blizzard that occurred the night before. The Smiths and the Petersons family were trapped in their cabins. Little Kenzie and her older sister Bentley were comfy cozy on the couch. Meanwhile, in the Peterson cabin, the heater was broken. Stephanie, Sadie, and Courtney were absolutely freezing. The Peterson sisters ran out to find the Smiths.
Oh, so cold! So cold! Concentration. Oh my god, it's so cold outside.
Yeah. It's cold outside, but the house is nice and warm.
Your heater isn't broken?
No, is yours?
Yeah, it's so cold.
Why don't you stay here? Make yourselves at home.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, sorry. Oh my goodness. You don't even know. Oh, it's like, oh, it's crazy. We had to walk here, and it took like 5 minutes, and it's just a blizzard outside. Oh,
We were caved in.
Yeah.
but then, how?
Here, I'll go.
And they all had a nice warm Christmas day.
Where the treetops glisten